Hello and welcome to our FXReturn.com Ton Trade on News video for Wednesday, January 28, 2009. It's coming up on 2000 hours GMT, 3 p.m. East Coast. Got New Zealand official cash rate in our News 1 window. The forecast is for 4%. When we take a look at our trading plan today for New Zealand cash rate, 4%, anticipated 100 BP cut by the market, so it's 5% now, one of the higher interest rates. Now, if they give a rate cut, we're going to trade New Zealand dollar. If they cut it 75 BP, not as much as expected. Move the rate to 4.25, we're going to buy New Zealand dollar versus US dollar. If they give a rate cut for 125 BP and move the rate to 3.75, we'll sell New Zealand dollar. Today we're going to target 20 to 60 pips off this news and put a stop loss at 20 pips. So there you go, forecast 4.0. They go to 4.25, we'll buy it. They cut it less, they cut it more by 1.25, 125 BP, we'll sell New Zealand dollar. That's the plan. And let's take a look at the charts. You can see New Zealand dollar trading 53 cents, 0.5300, resistance 53.70, support 52.24. As we prepare, we're just seconds away from our New Zealand official cash rate. We just had the Fed funds rate. There was no change. They left it at 0.25%, and we'll have to see what New Zealand does here with their interest rates with the forecast of 4%. That's the risk level and the safe level. We're looking to trade the risk level. We got a safe sell. Safe sell today, 52.73. Let's get our short-term charts up. 52.73, safe sell. That's what Ton's all about. There's 20 points right there. Look at our Ton news plan. We are looking for 20 to 50 pips here off this news. 53, safe sell. Safe sell. Let's look at our plan. We're going to sell it. If it came in 0.5 more, they cut by 150. They cut by 150, moved the rate to 3.25%, very aggressive, to 53. You can see right here what happened with the news. So from 73 down to 50, there was your 20 pips. Let's see what happens here. You got to be quick. It's a safe sell. 65, 62, 61, 60. Depending on your fill, let's see. You go down to the tick charts. $52.66. And there was our 20 pips. And I think that's all we're going to get out of it, is that 20 off the safe sell. Went from 73 right down to 53 real quick. And let's see what happens. So you can see from the 73 level, we're down to 53. So there's your 20 points. So for sure, you want to take some partial profits if you did multiple units, and so you can control your risk. For those just trading one lot, you may want to just take your 20 pips right down there at 53, because that looks like, we got 48, we got 53, we're trading 56. It's up to you. The indicators are crossed over a little bit, the stochastic, so it doesn't look too bad, but we've had a wild interest rate day. We got some trade balance figures coming up a little later in our News 2 window at 21:45 GMT. But this was a quick 20 pips. You saw Ton had the plan, safe sell. They cut it 50 BP more than expected. Brought the rate from 5% down to 3.5%. And you can see what happened. So, you got 20 points. You saw it right plain as day. 73 right in this area. Very obtainable price. No risk to the upside. Even with a 20 pip stop, that was 93. We didn't even approach that. And you can see we got our 20 pips here. And there could be more in this trade. But for our purpose, 20 pips is good. Quick 20, you know, you can't really complain with as we trade into these bottoms. If you have taken partial profits, now that you can, for those who traded 2 lots, you have less risk than the 1 lot person. So 1 lot, you may take it down. Hey, you could even hold, your choice. But the 2 lot, this is what I'm saying, you take partials, and now you can float down to lower levels. We've got our resistance and support levels. You can see we had them right on the chart for you. So we're approaching 52.24. That was our first support. We're 52.50 right now. You saw it plain as day, 73, 47, and we're dropping 47. Look at the 60-minute chart. This was the moving average. Came up, poked its head above, right down 52.46 now, trading lower, 42. That's 43. That's what we're talking about. TON, Trade on News, does it again. Got a safe sell. Auto clicks you into the market to avoid all confusion. Fires off the trade in there. It's your responsibility to take it out. And with 2 lots going, I would prefer to hold the second lot and see just how far we can go. Certainly maybe test that resistance. 52.42 now, you see. Right what we did. So, there's our levels. 52.24 is the next level. There's 30 pips right there. Solid 30. We're bouncing around, but I want you to go to the website, fxreturn.com. We have a special. This is $250 a month. We're going to give you a 2-week trial for $24.99 just to get you acclimated so that you can see for yourself how TON is able to help you trade on new software, trade these important news events. We don't do it because our toes itch. We do it because we have a historical precedent. And the precedent said we have a high probability based on past historical performance, so it's not indicative of the future. In this case, it was, because when we get an interest rate cut much bigger than expected, historically we could sell the New Zealand dollar right off the bat, and that's exactly what happened from 52.73 on down to 52.43, 30 points, and maybe lower. But thanks for following along with us today. And that was a good trade. We had nothing cooking with U.S. Fed funds rate. At least we got a trade there. Tomorrow, U.S. core durable goods orders, U.S. new home sales. You'll get 2 more opportunities for surprise and perhaps make a trade. Hopefully look for some profits. Friday, Canadian GDP and our U.S. advanced GDP. So the next news is 8:30 tomorrow morning, U.S. durable goods, East Coast time. I'll be there. I hope I see you there, 52.41. When you see videos like this and you see it in black and white, in red and green and yellow, in real time, see for yourself. I don't know who else shows you their trades in real time and gives it to you before and gives you the software to help. So I expect to see a lot of new subscribers tomorrow at our TON, Trade on News, through fxreturn.com. So thanks for following along today with our New Zealand official cash rate. They moved it 0.5% more than expected. And our TON, 52.40 now and dropping. Remember, support's 52.24. There's 38. And you can see we had this sell, 37, right there, nice and red. Perfect sell. And TON does it again. So thanks for following along again and become the best news trader you could be with us right here at fxreturn.com. Thanks so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.